Build self-discipline. Get rid of bad habits, one at a time. Stop worrying about the future. Accept your mistakes. Don't be afraid to fail. Choose simplicity. Learn to say no. Make new friends. Let go of the past. Get a new job. Start your own business. Think more positively. Surround yourself with positive people. Appreciate what you have. Be more curious. Build different skills. Be kind to others. Create and keep a morning phrase. Stop making excuses. Learn to take risks. Stop blaming others for your own faults. Learn a new language. Go out in nature. Find reasons to agree. Be courageous, try new stuff, face your fears. Train your focus. Be better, not perfect. Give more freely. Pay yourself first. Be more productive by doing less. Take more responsibility. Wake up early. Follow your passion. Start a blog. Ask yourself what you really want in life. Find reasons to love your life. Start a new diet. Meet your own decisions. Reject what you don't want. Stop wasting your power. Avoid fighting. Try something new. Accept the faults of your friends. Learn to ignore. Learn to overcome the fear. Learn something new each day. Stop giving up. Don't try to please everyone. Experiment gratitude. Give up jealously. Stop gossiping. Dissolve negative opinions about yourself. Listen to your critics. Manage your time as you manage your money. Don't take it personally. Exercise. Stop complaining. Read a book per week. Ignore what you cannot change. Play a game. Stop solving the wrong problems. Forgive. Fix something by yourself. Break up with a person you don't like. Talk less, take more action. Get a thing you wanted for a long time. Erase your routines. Join a new group. Love. Spend some time alone. Break an old bad habit. Stop reacting to stuff. Stop being judgmental. Watch your beliefs. Burn some old memories. Trust your emotions. Get a pet. Treat your body and mind well. Stop faking your life. Analyze and improve your weakness. Stop watching TV. Live more consciously. Go hiking. Challenge yourself more often. Meditate daily. Do a random act of kindness. Do the unexpected. Don't argue, win or lose. Go social. Slow your life down. Define your goals. Stop comparing yourself to others. Help others. Read inspiring biographies. Stop lying. Seek for the truth and don't stop when it's uncomfortable. Have no regrets. Try to see the bigger picture. Live today. Be yourself.